Hey guys, welcome to the fifth lesson of this series. We hope you're excited. Today's new lesson is based on Rupakta. It has 7 matras. The breakup is 3/2/2. In this tal, we have a bowl which is Ti na dhina dhina. In today's lesson, the tempo will be 110 bpm. The pitch will be B2. In today's new lesson, we will teach you how to play the alankar in Vilambit lay, that is at slow speed, and Madhya lay, that is at medium speed, for training your fingers for better movement. Now, without any further ado, let's jump into the lesson. But before we go there, if you are new to this channel and like the content we post, then go and hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon so that you will not miss any updates when we upload a new video. Let's get started. Now, let's look at the alankar which we are going to learn today to play it with the harmonium. You can write it down in your notebook too. At first, Vilambit lay. Ascending order. Descending order. Let's see how does it sound when we play it in the harmonium. Well, that was Vilambit lay. Next up, Madhya lay. Ascending order. Descending order. Let's see how does it sound when we play it with the harmonium. Well, that was Madhyale, and with that, today's lesson ends here. If you have any queries, then feel free to contact us. You'll find the contact details down in the description. We hope you have learned a new thing today, and don't forget to drop a like to the video and share it with your family and friends. Tune in with us in the next video with the 6th lesson of the Harmonium. To be notified when we upload the next video, you should go and hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon right now. You can follow us over Facebook and Instagram for more updates. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.